So what I'm working on here today is a General Electric dryer, and the end of cycle buzzer is not very strong and sometimes crackling. So make sure your unit is unplugged. There are 6 screws on the back panel. Remove them. And down here is our buzzer. To look up the part number, you're going to need the model number, and that is located inside the dryer door. It is held in by just one Phillips screw. Go ahead and take that out. Okay, I have another buzzer here. The front tab there slips into that slot. Put her down and we'll put our screw in there. So we'll take and transfer our wires over to the new one. Okay, we'll make sure our back panel is in the right spot. Go ahead and put our cover on here, put our 6 screws in. Okay, now that we have our back panel attached, we can plug it in and test it out.